The demand for silver and gold looks like it's strong from coast to coast. What is that going to do to the cost of your metals and premiums? Stick around and find out. Welcome to Silver Heist. Thank you to our returning subscribers and guests. We are a channel that likes to hold physical gold and silver. To support my creation, please subscribe. Well, the demand for gold is also strong from coast to coast. And what will it do to your premiums? We're going to look at it from a number of angles, including what the audience believes results in high demand. How is this similar and how is it different from the strong demand of 2020? What's happening at the online dealers right now? Okay, the first piece of information I want to share with you is a poll I did a few months ago for my audience. I asked them, with respect to silver, what silver spot price will keep or push American Silver Eagle demand up? 536 votes. Spot below $20 and Silver Eagle demand up 31%. Spot above $30 and Silver Eagle demand up 30%. And stable $24 to $27 spot price and Silver Eagle demand up 39%. So pretty evenly split. So I was in the last camp that I just thought, or I wished, that if prices could just stay stable, people could stock up slowly instead of being any kind of pressure if prices dropped too low or started to go up in price. That's more of a urgent situation, and I think I was just more comfortable in a slow and steady accumulation at the right price. Let's look at the spot prices for the last 6 months. So silver peaked in August, and it's gone down and sideways and started to come back up in December. And so it has been in that $24 to $27 spot price. And if we look at the gold chart of the last 6 months, same thing. It peaked in August, and it's kind of been on a steady, stair step down, but it did creep back up a little bit. So more sideways and down. But I just saw an interview with Peter Hugg of Kitco, and he's pretty middle of the road, and he was a little bit surprised about the increased demand that he sees right now and how that's leading to higher premiums on both silver and gold, maple leafs and eagles. So he sees an increase in demand, which is only going to result in an increase in premium prices. One possible explanation for what is leading to increased demand is frankly increased money. So we have gotten stimulus checks in the United States, $600 per adult. So some households may have gotten $1,200 for a married couple. I know there was income limits and additional money for children. So I took a poll of my audience. Demand for physical gold and silver looks strong right now. Did you buy metals with a part of your most recent stimulus check? Yes, I bought precious metals with some of my stimulus check, 46%. No, I used my stimulus check for other needs, 19%. I did not get the recent stimulus check, 36%. So that's almost half of the people spent some of that money. So just like, any of this money printing going on through the Fed, that increases asset classes, be it the stock market, and it is a reasonable explanation for increased demand on precious metals. If people receive some found money and they want to do something with it, they may save it in the form of precious metal. So the US Mint had a fairly strong year. Even though they had some setbacks in the spring, 2020 still ended up a strong year, significantly more silver and gold mintage at the US Mint than previous low demand years. So if you look at 2021, just 1 month, It is looking strong. So looking at this pie chart, this is market share by gold coin quantities, not how many ounces of coins, but how many coins itself. So the top coin by market share was the full ounce at 55%, followed by the 10th ounce at 28%, the quarter ounce at 11%, and the half at 6%. So when the full ounce is the top coin at the US Mint, that means we're in a bull market for gold. That means there's strong demand. And so a bull market for gold pulls out people who are looking to stack and invest quickly, and they have the means and the motivation to buy full ounce coins. So if we look at a chart of ounces of silver and ounces of gold, so not the gold coins, but the total ounces minted just for January 2021, 2021 looks strong. And the silver quantities and ounces are on the right side, and the gold ounces are on the left. So looking at silver for 2018, 19, and 20, you're looking at 3 million, 4 million, but in 2021 it's starting strong at 4.7 million. And if you look at the gold, it starts in 50 or 60,000 ounces for a single month in 2018, 19, and 20. But 2021 is gangbusters at over 210,000 ounces made. So of those ounces of gold made in January, like we said, a significant amount of them are full ounce coins. So a very strong demand. So as long as the US Mint can maintain this through February and March, not have any COVID interruptions, or not have any silver planchet supply interruptions, then I think the 2021 demand will maintain itself. So they're probably making all the half and quarters that they can make. I think they're probably putting the 1 ounces in front of the production line. So it's going to be hard to get half ounces and quarter ounces, and maybe even 1/10 ounces for the next couple of few months. And so premiums are going to start to creep up. Premiums on the Silver Eagles could also creep up if they have any hiccups in production, either COVID related or frankly just planchet silver related. Now what's different about last year is that the descent in the silver price was not just a 1 or 2 day event. It actually took about 10 to 14 days. And so there was a couple of weekends where people could react. So the first weekend, people reacted, stocked up. I think mostly emptied the inventory from the online dealers. And then the second one happened, and then the dealers sold out. There was nothing coming out of the mints because of COVID. So this is a different situation. We're going sideways in price, but people got stimulus checks. So the last impact from this high demand situation, let's check a couple of sites because here we go again. SD Bullion. Due to increased order volume, our current shipping time is 3 to 5 business days after payment clears. And JM Bullion, attention customers, due to increased order volume, we are currently experiencing shipping delays of 2 to 3 days. So I think it's back to the future with respect to higher premiums and shipping delays. So we'll see how 2021 shapes up. But it looks to me that the demand for silver and gold is strong. So forewarned is forearmed. Keep stacking in 2021. If you have some other experiences with premiums or availability, please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and look forward to seeing your comments.